Right, welcome back to a new video. In this one I'm going to try to set the levels of the kit. Let's go into Superior Drummer 3. That's just with the mouse. I'll just give you a quick play of the kit just so you can and those chinas are the ones up here. So those are the chinas. We've got a splash, crash and a ride. Right. So first off, I've got the Alesis. Oh, sorry, the Alesis. First off, I've got the TD27, the Roland, we'll call it, set at 1/4 and the master volume output. So I think I need to put that up. And I've put that right up to 100%, which is ridiculously loud. Now that is way too loud, so let's just eliminate some of that. Let's take everything down by, let's have a look. It's 11.5 for what it was before. So we'll go down to 20.5. No, we'll go to 22.5. So we'll double everything. So that's at 10. We'll go down to 20. That's still too loud. That's at 30. So this one's at 13.5. Will that bring that one down to 33.5? That's at 12.5. That's at 28.5. This one's at 10. That's down to 23, minus 23. These are all minus numbers, by the way. That's at 12. That's down to 24. So that's at 9. We'll come down to 18. Try that. That's a 23. I want these sounds to be mostly the Superior Drummer sounds. That's at 9. That's at 23. Now I've got a problem with this ride on the TD27. I've contacted Anderton's, where I purchased the kit from. And as you can hear that, the ringing is from the Superior Drummer. The dead sound, it cuts off. That's the Alesis. That's at minus 10. That's at minus 13. We'll come down to down to 24. It's weird how some things need to be more than others. That's the hi-hat. That's at level 0. That's 16.5. That's at -5. It's at -21. So now if I turn this right, the output down, so that's just the superior drummer sounds. Bringing it back up now. Oh, I'm doing the wrong one. Hitting the wrong button. Turning the volume down of the individual. So I'll have to do it with a I'll do it with a snare drum now. Take the output level up. I'll take the cymbal down that I messed up before. Right, so that's the starting point. Let me just try this. Yeah, that was still too loud, so I'll come down with a little bit for each one. Ride, cymbal. Main hi-hat. That's at 22. Snare drum. I'll leave that at that. Now the toms. Take it down first. I'll leave that at that for now. That's -36. Same for that. Same for that one. And the other floor tom. What's the other one? The initial floor tom. 32. Yeah, that's about the same. That's about okay. It's a bit loud. minus 25. I'll take this one down the same. Right, so that's a place to start.